I'll talk about all the features of the door lock first, and then I'll go over the pros and the cons. There's 4 ways to unlock the door lock: fingerprint, code or password, RFID card, and an emergency override key. It supports up to 100 users. It features world-class optical fingerprint recognition. The push-pull technology makes it easy to open the door. There's no need to turn the handle, only push from the outside and pull it from the inside. It has a stylish design that won 3 awards. The durable and unique handle structure protects from outside force. The in-home security feature prevents intruders by disabling outside controls, so the password and key tags no longer work. The passage mode will keep the door unlocked when you need to. The automatic wake up on approach feature wakes up the lock automatically when the eye-air sensor detects motion within 70 centimeters. Anti-hacking encryption protocol protects from electronic braking methods. The fire sensor notifies whenever high temperatures are detected. Locking notification on touch panel feature display the status of the door when you touch the panel. Warning alarm for possible intruder will notify the user if motion is detected in front of the lock for a long period of time. Manner mode will disable the sound of the alarm for quiet unlocking. Low battery warning feature notifies the user if the battery is running low. A 9-volt battery probe allows you to open the door lock using a battery in case the lock fails. The lock features a state-of-the-art fingerprint recognition. It has a sleek design, it's high-tech, it's sturdy and well-made. It features push-pull technology which makes it easy to operate. It's the best in security features and it's really easy to install. You cannot use the lock outdoors. Extra emergency keys are really expensive. This Samsung biometric fingerprint lock is without a doubt the best on the market. It has an award-winning design, it comes with world-class optical fingerprint recognition, and it has the most security features in comparison to other locks on the market.